latest episode of Itihas ke Panne. Today is 12th February. 12th February is an Indian history is celebrated as the birth anniversary of the following personalities. Nana Fadnavis, 12th February 1742 to 13 March 1800, a Maratha statesman who served in the Peshwa during the Third Battle of Panipat. He is very famous for his cleverness and intelligence. He also fought with Tipu Sultan. He made a successful attempt to collect the power of Maratha Empire under one umbrella. During the Peshwa rule, Nana Fadnavis was an influential minister and diplomat of Maratha Empire. He was also called the Maratha Machiavelli, named after the famous Italian diplomat Niccolò Machiavelli by the Europeans. He was born on 12 February 1742. Maharishi Swami Dayanand Saraswati, 12 February 1824, 30 October 1883. The founder of Arya Samaj and an intense reformist monk around the time when Keshav Chandra Sen was engaged in the propagation of Brahmo Samaj. Dandi Swami Virajanand's hut at Mathurapuri ignited like a fierce fire Shikha, a sannyasi who first challenged the Sanskrit scholar Vidvat Sansar for Vedarth and debate. Pran Krishna Sikand, 12 February 1922, 12 July 2013, a well-known hero, villain and character actor in Hindi films. Pran was such an actor who always has makeup on his face and a storm of emotion who pours in his life into every character to make him feel that without him the character would have been worthless. Even today people have not forgotten his style of dialogue delivery. He was born on 12 February 1920 in Delhi. Death anniversary. 12 February in Indian history is observed at death anniversary of the following personalities. Majji Shinde, 12 February 1794, the illegitimate son and successor of Ranoji Shinde. He was prominently active during the colonial period of British. The Majji Shinde was a very ambitious and military man. Due to his sharp intelligence and military skills, he held a special place in the Maratha Empire. He died on 12 February 1794. Sufi Amba Prasad, 1858 to 12 February 1919, a famous nationalist leader, great revolutionary and freedom fighter of India. Due to his revolutionary activities, the British government sentenced him to death in the years 1897 and 1907. But both times Sufi Amba Prasad fled to Iran, escaped the execution. He was the leading leader of Ghadar party in Iran. He remained the leftist throughout his life. The tomb of Sufi Amba Prasad is built in the city of Shiraz in Iran. Nawaz Sayyid Muhammad Bahadur, 1867 to 12 February 1990, an Indian politician. He presided over the Karachi Convention of the Indian National Congress in 1913. He was the third Muslim after the Badruddin Taibaji and Rahimullah Sayani to preside over a Congress conference. He died on 12 February 1990. Notable events on 12 February in Indian and world history. 12 February 1502, Vasco da Gama left Lisbon in his ship for his second visit to India. In 1544, in England, Jane Grey was sentenced to death for treason. In 1577, the new governor of the Netherlands, Dan Jane of Austria, issued an order to end the civil war. In 1689, William and Mary were proclaimed King and Queen of England. In 1736, Nadir Shah became the ruler of France. In 1762, the British Navy captured the Caribbean island of Martinique. In 1771, Gustav III became King of Sweden on this day. In 1885, the German East Africa Company was formed. In 1912, the Manchu dynasty left the throne in China. In 1922, Mahatma Gandhi announced the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement. In 1925, the Communist Party was banned by the Baltic country of Estonia in Northern Europe. In 1928, Gandhiji announced the Satyagraha in Bardoli on this day. In 1949, Hassan al-Adar Batra, the famous Egyptian and fighter and the founder of Ikhwanul Muslim organization, was martyred by a conspiracy by Britain and then Egyptian King Malik Farouk. In 1953, Egypt and Britain signed an agreement regarding Sudan. In 1974, Nobel Prize winner Alexander Solzhenitsyn of the Soviet Union was arrested in Moscow. In 2002, an Iranian plane crashed while landing at Khurramabad airport, in which 119 people lost their lives. 12 February 2009, Cambridge University announced the award of the degree of DLIT to the famous economist of India, Amartya Sen. In 2013, North Korea conducted its third underground nuclear test. 12 February is also observed as Darwin Day. Charles Darwin's birthday is celebrated every year as Darwin Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of the father of evolutionary biology. Charles Darwin, who was born in 1809, on this day, Darwin's contribution to evolutionary biology and plant science is highlighted. This day is also observed as Abraham Lincoln's birthday. The day is celebrated as the birthday of one of the most popular president in the history of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. In addition to being Abraham Lincoln's birthday, this day is also known as Lincoln Day, Abraham Lincoln Day. This day is also observed as National Productivity Day. It is also observed on 12 February annually to increase the productivity culture in India. It is celebrated by the National Productivity Council (NPC).